today we're going to actually bring a shower head, a filter shower head. For those that are worried about kind of minerals or any calcium growing there, this is a great way to take smooth, clean showers. You won't get that mildew that you actually grow on glass, and that's one of the problems we have in our bathroom, where mildew actually grows from there. So today we're going to show you guys what's included. So today we're going to show you what's included. You get the manual. You get the hose. If you guys can see, they give you a long hose, but it's not long enough. It's not enough to go from the actual wall to your hands, and you can hang it. Of course, they give you a little hanging adapter here for your shower head, and it comes with a grip. If you guys notice, this is where it rests the actual shower. They give you everything's required to install the actual shower head, of course. And of course, if you guys notice, there's the filter system in here with all the stuff, and it has different tones. And we're going to take a look at them, how to change it and how to press the button and how to move it to different locations. So if you guys notice, it clicks every time you move it around. You come back to the neutral area. And that's pretty much it. Has a handle here where you could change it right here. By push of a button, you change the different tones. You turn it off and on, and then you change to different types of spray water. So we're gonna take a look at it and see how it works. So let's put it together. And if you notice, the filters are in there. They use this kind of filter in fish tanks and other things to clear the water out, which comes in handy. It captures everything before it cleans it out before going to the actual use. So let's put it together and see how it looks. When you're taking a shower, look at the mildew that actually my shower head creates. It's not filtered and it starts creating mildew like this. So we're gonna replace it. If you guys noticed, here it is. We're gonna replace it right now, but I just want to show you first how it works before we do that. But this is the mildew that we're talking about. It's hard to take, is because it's not filtered water. So we're gonna get rid of that. And on top of that, we're gonna see how it works. So we're gonna turn it on right now. So if you guys notice, let me see this. This is one of them. We're gonna change it around. Oh yeah, there it is. All right, so let's change the different types. All right, so change it.
Oh,
yeah. So let me see, I can't see it. Okay, that's one spray. That's another one. That's another one. And that's another one. So it has multiple sprays, if you guys notice. Oh, that's a spray. And then, yeah, so that's one. Multiple sprays. Let me see it. And like I said, you have this one right here, if you guys can see it. And then we're going to change it. Different tones. And then you can turn it off here if you want to. You can turn that off. And just continue. And you can see the water flowing here. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.